Hey, I should wear the orange and white ones, huh?
Gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll go better with the cleats.
Orange and white?
Yeah.
Von Miller had on his dancing shoes for the Denver Broncos primetime matchup against the winless Giants.
We got a great opportunity, guys. Come on. Let's go out there and do our It's primetime football. Let's make a play.
You guys can run free, you ain't gonna get there the way he's throwing that ball.
Yeah.
But just keep running.
Brandon McManus will attempt to tie the game. And McManus is no good from 35.
Hey, something changed. Hey. Something changed. Everybody hold up. We got it. Hey, we got it. Everybody just relax. Let's play our game.
Manning rolls the pocket to the right. He throws it right, completes it to Ingram, who dives in for the touchdown.
It's like Floyd. You just got to, we can't rush it. We're going to get our punches. Offense going to score right here. We got it.
Simeon takes the shotgun snap, and he's back to throw. He throws it underneath. Pass intercepted by Jack Rabbit.
This is going to be a house call unless Simeon can knock the defender out of bounds. That is Janoris Jenkins with an interception return. And it is certainly time for the Broncos to wake up in this game.
Hey, we need to be solid. We need to make a play. It's going to be good. Hey, to the end, every single play, take advantage of this. Hey, grind on three, 1, 2, 3.
Play fake, he steps in the pocket, protection's pretty good now, breaks down, and Manning's going to be sacked back at the 21-yard line.
Tough to keep Von Miller off your quarterback all night long.
The New York Football Giants come to Denver and beat the Broncos 23-10.
Every team, every week, bro. It don't matter who they got. See that happen this is my 7th year. You see it happen every single week. A team get beat. They're not supposed to get beat. We gotta play desperate. We feel like that we ain't had no starters. I don't know what it is, cause I don't know, bro. I feel like we play hard though. Like we play hard.